What are you doing here?
I need your help.
Well, I don't need this kind of heat. Every cop in the city is looking for you.
That's because we got a chance to take him down. We got a laptop full of evidence that will put Mercer away for decades. Trouble is, it's password protected.
Is that all? Hold on. I just sent you a package. Put your phone near the laptop and it should have it unlocked in a couple of minutes.
Wow. Thanks.
Just be sure to make this stick. If you can take down those cops, you'll be doing us all a favor. Now get out of here.
Any news?
I'm sending you some software to unlock the laptop. Just put your phone next to the machine and it should open it up automatically.
Okay, got it.
I'm on my way back to you. Should be there soon.
Putting you on speaker. Something's happening. Looks like it's waking up. We're in. The password screen is gone. I can see a bunch of folders.
Yes!
You're a genius!
Well, not me. I just know a genius.
Now we dig out the right files and take this computer to the press as evidence. Those TV news people are gonna love this.
Hold on. What's this? It says there's a program running called PD Hardware Tracker. Is that one of yours?
I don't know. I don't think so.
All units, 315. We have a location for the suspects in the Lieutenant Mercer assault. Proceed to North Cloud Bank immediately.
You hear that?
They're tracking the laptop.
Oh, we gotta move. Leave it here.
No, change of plan. We hit the road with the laptop and buy enough time to email the files to the press. Meet us at the Old Mall.
All units, suspect vehicle is a red Porsche heading south from Cloud Bank into Edgewood Valley.
Copy, Control. Taking up pursuit. Copy that, Control. Joining pursuit.
Jackson, Warren, that you? I thought the task force never came out in daylight.
Pulling an extra shift just to take down these animals.
Yup, they definitely found us.
Hold it steady.
Look in the documents folder.
I'm not a computer guy, okay?
They're trying to get us killed.
You expect Mercer's buddies to play fair?
Where are you at?
Close.
We'll stay close to the mall. Get here as fast as you can. Coming in hot.
Okay, I'm trying to type here.
Do whatever you can to stop these cops from running us off the road.
I'm on it. Lucas, how's it looking?
I got an email address for the news people. Now I just gotta find some files that implicate Mercer.
Hurry it up! This car was built to last. It could take a few bruises.
Woohoo! We struck gold! Impound records, cars, dates, registrations, IDs, fines. And Mercer's name is all over them.
Send it!
Dragging the whole folder.
Edgewood Valley.
Got it, QSL.
Those cops ain't hardly heard us. Yet. Talk to me, Luca!
It's uploading. Watch the road.
Died in
Keep a
westbound.
hold of that laptop! We're okay. You'll have to try harder than that.
You just made your last mistake.
Lucas?
Nearly there.
4221, what is your location of travel now?
Died in westbound through Fort Callahan.
QSL,
We're starting to suffer.
Fort Callahan.
We got him!
How long does it take to add an attachment?
The signal's not great, okay?
Apprehended the subject.
Failure on the arrest. They got loose.
The wheel is shaking in my hands here.
It's on 99%.
Don't panic yet. This car's still got a few miles in her.
QSL got it.
Lucas?
Still on 99%. The clearance all over.
You're just gonna leave us hanging?
4221, please provide QTH update.
Now heading northbound through Rockville.
QSL 4221.
Oh, no, message sent! We did it!
Now get rid of that laptop so they can't track us.
Got it. Now take us home.
Tonight's main story, a disgrace to the uniform as a senior police officer goes on the run. Lieutenant Frank Mercer, head of the city's controversial high-speed task force, has disappeared after being suspended for alleged corruption. The suspension follows the discovery of leaked documents sent to our very own WFFL news team. While the PD has refused to discuss the allegations, this reporter understands that they relate to extortion and large-scale theft in the street racing scene that Mercer was supposed to police. In a statement, the department said, Lieutenant Mercer is aware of his suspension, and we appeal to him to come forward and assist the investigation. In other news,
Looks like Mercer's still on the run. You watch yourself out there, okay? Could be anywhere.